Hello friends, welcome to Bring on Tech. So in case you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. If you are watching my video for the first time, click on bell icon as well. That will help you to get the latest videos from me. You'll get a notification for that. So my previous videos were on EC2 instances, how you can start, terminate, stop, restart launch instance EC2 instance, how you can connect EC2 instance, how you can change instance type, and benefits of AWS and all. Now in this video I'm going to tell you about two major concepts in AWS, which is region and availability zone. So what is region and what is availability zone, and how do you select a region in AWS? So this would be covered in this video. Stay till last so that you don't miss any important updates. And again, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel now. So let's start. What is AWS region? See, AWS region is a geographical area, okay, where the data centers are there. So if you see this diagram, okay, and all these blue dots, these all are the regions. AWS regions are present there, and the orange ones are the upcoming regions which AWS is planning to have. So in these regions, the AWS have their data centers. Okay, so simple one term region is what? It's a geographical area. That's it. Okay, with data centers. Now, what is availability zone? Now, availability zone is contained within region. It lies inside the region. Okay, a region can have more than one availability zone. So if you see this figure, if you consider this whole rectangle as a region, then this diamond shaped are the availability zones. Now the data center actually lies within this availability zones. Okay, and these availability zones are connected by low latency network. So availability zone is an isolated zone. Okay, so if there is failure in this zone, say this zone is not available, say this zone is no longer available, what does it mean is, even if this zone is not available, you can, this zone is up, this zone is up, okay, this zone is up, this zone is up, and this zone is up. So these are isolated. Failure of one will not affect the other availability zones. So whenever we talk about high availability, we make sure that your servers are available on different availability zones. So one region can have two or more availability zone depending on which region it is. In some places there are two or three regions or two availability zones, but in other places there can be up to six availability zones. Okay, so depending on your requirement, you choose the regions accordingly, and if you want it to be highly available, then you need to have your resources in different availability zone. Okay, now you know what is region, what is availability zone. Now how do you choose a region? So say you are working, you have started working on AWS project, and the client has just asked you, given your two three options, and they want you to choose the best region for the project. So how do you select that? So there are actually four parameters which you should consider while selecting a region. First thing should be that proximity of users to data. Proximity of users to data means if the data First, you should know where your user lies, whether they are from particular region of the world, whether they are throughout the world, how it is. So you should accordingly decide your availability zone, your regions, that yes, you should choose this region. Why? Because if the region is near to the users, they are going to see less latency in getting the details. Okay, they will face less latency, very less. Even if they choose a region from far place, the latency is less, but even a difference of 100 microsecond makes a lot of difference. Okay, 100 millisecond, say. Now the next is your data compliance and the national and local security laws. So sometimes, I mean, as per the national and the local data policy, you are not allowed to move the data to another region. So in that cases, like European Union have their rules that they cannot move their data outside Europe or something. Similarly, I mean, whatever the rules are, whatever the locals and national policies are, that also should be taken care. And this is one of the very important factor when you decide the region. Okay. Now, if you don't have a local or national policies to store data outside that region, then you cannot do that. You cannot select another region. Okay. So, and moving on to the next important factor that is important to select a region, it is service and feature availability. So not all services are available in all regions. For example, I will give you is Northern Virginia is the oldest region, okay, and it will have most of the services. But if you choose any of the new regions which came up few years back, or which came up last year or so, they will not have all the services. Okay, so if you want some particular service, then you should know that whether that service is in that region or not. Okay, is supported in that region or not. Then the fourth parameter is cost effectiveness. Now, if you're using some service, the same service can cost you more in some other region, but it can cost you less in some another region. So these four parameters you should remember. One is proximity to the users to data, data compliance, local and national laws, your service and feature availability in that region, and the effectiveness, cost effectiveness. So these four parameters, if you remember and you choose your region accordingly, you are going to save a lot of money. You will be good on the compliance side, and, and you will be safe. Okay. So this is about region and availability zone. You have any problem understanding, do message me. And again, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon to get the latest notifications. Okay, you'll keep on getting good videos like this. And if you like my video, like it and drop me a message. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.